Hi guys, my name is Yan Sikorski, and today I want to share with you our top 7 ideas for the next trading session. But firstly, let's try to look how worked our previous ideas. Yesterday I recommended you shorted Euro USD because this currency pair was some sort of overbought, and as you can see, price hit our first target around 1.0940 level. Right now price formed some sort of false breakout of this level. That's why if you're in a position right now, I recommend you close your position. Pound USD, this is another our yesterday ideas, and here you can see price formed false breakout of the important level around 1.22. This was our entry points for the buy. Our first target was around 1.2330. As you can see, price hit our first target, and if you're in a position right now, I will recommend you put your stop loss to break even and wait when the price hit your second target around 1.24. USD Canadian dollar right now formed our entry points, and as you can see, price formed false breakout of this level, level around 1.39. This is our entry points, and our idea still work right now. Aussie USD, we recommended short in this instrument because, in my point of view, this currency pair was also some sort of overbought yesterday, and our main idea was false breakout of important resistance level around 0.6570, and after false breakout of this level, our first target was 0.6520. As you can see, price hit our first target, but right now, if you're in a position, it will be better if you put your stop loss to break even, or better say, close your position right now. Gold, I told you I'm very bullish in gold if we're talking about longer term or middle term perspective, and as you can see, price break this micro consolidation yesterday, hold above this micro consolidation. It was our entry points for the buy, and as you can see, our idea still work right now. Our first target 1765. Oil not formed entry points yesterday, unfortunately, because our entry points was price should be break this support level around 39.25, and when the price break this level around 39.25 and hold below this level, it will be our entry points. Our first target will be around $30 per contract. Our second target will be around $28 per contract. Another is S&P 500. Yesterday I recommended you. Yesterday I recommended you short this instrument because price formed false breakout of the very important level. If you're looking on the H4 time frame, you can see 29.50 is a very important resistance level here, and the price formed false breakout of this level. It was really strong bearish signal here, but unfortunately price falling a little bit down, but right now price again in this level. What I want to say, our idea still works right now, and also if you're in the trades right now, just still wait when price falling down until 28.90, or this is our first target, or 28.60. This is our second target in this case. Our stop loss should be above this level. I mean around the price level around 29.80. It was our yesterday ideas, and right now let's move on for today's ideas. Euro dollar, our first idea for today. Like yesterday, I'm pretty bullish in this currency pair today, and I will expect that the price break important consolidation with impulsive movement. If price break this consolidation with impulsive movement, I'll expect that the price from pullback, fractal. This will be my entry points, and my first target will be around 1.10. This is the first scenario. The second one is the second scenario. Pullback till important level around 1.092, fractal pattern, and my first target will be around 1.10. The second idea is the pound USD. As I said yesterday, pound USD looks pretty bullish because the price break important support level around 1.22, formed false breakout of this important level. And if we go into the lower time frame, like M15 time frame, what we see today, we will expect, let's say, but the price with impulsive movement break this micro consolidation from pullback. When the price from pullback, it will be our entry points. My first target will be around 1.2340. This is first scenario. The second one is a pullback until 1.2220, false breakout of this micro consolidation. And when price from false breakout of this micro consolidation to my entry points, my first target will be also 1.2340. Another instrument is USD Canadian dollar. USD Canadian dollar right now looks pretty bearish. As you can see, price with impulsive movement here, break this micro consolidation, support of this micro consolidation near the price level 1.3920, and fractal here at my entry points, and my first target right now around 1.3860. Another idea, this is Aussie USD. Aussie USD also looks a little bit bullish. As you can see, on a higher time frame, price stay in important resistance level. We get a bounce here, we get a bounce here, and right now price stay in a consolidation on a lower time frame like H1 time frame. And when the price break this consolidation with impulsive movement up, then form pullback, fractal, it will be my entry points, and my first target will be around 0.6620. I think it's 80% of probability. This scenario is 80% of the probability. 20% of the price break this consolidation with impulsive movement down, pull back, fractal. It will be my entry points. My first target will be around 0.6470. Gold. I'm still bullish on gold. Right now price break our yesterday micro consolidation. If we go into the lower time frame like M15 time frame, we can see here price in a micro consolidation. That's why we will expect with the price break this micro consolidation with impulsive movement from pullback, and then from the fractal. Fractal will be my entry points, and my first target will be 1764. Another idea is oil. Let's have a look on a H1 time frame, price stay in consolidation. That's why I'll expect that the price break this consolidation with impulsive movement down, then from pullback until the level 3950. 3150, and then from the fractal it will be my entry points. My first target will be around 30 level, my second target will be around 28 level. S&P 500 right now looks like 60% bullish, 40% bearish. I mean, as you can see, price stay right now in important level around 2950. This is very important resistance level, S&P 500. And yesterday price tried to go down, but nothing has happened. And if we go into the lower time frame like M15 time frame, here you can see price touch this impulsive level around 2930, form false breakout here, and then going up again. What does it mean for us? For us it means if the price right now with impulsive movement going up, form pullback and hold above 2960, it will be good opportunity for open a long position, and our first target will be around 3000 in S&P 500. And as I said, 40% of the probability if price hold below 2940, it will be our entry points for the short. Now our first target will be around 2890 probably. Well guys, I hope this idea will be useful for you and help you to make money on the next trading session. See you next time. Bye.